Hi everybody, this is a real short video on how to upgrade the memory inside a late 2012 27-inch iMac. The one here, it comes sort of pre-configured with 8 gig. And what I'm going to do is install another 8 gig. So the first thing you want to do is remove the power, because in there is the little button to sort of pop this open. So all you do is just remove the power cord, okay, and then if you can see that too well, just here there's a little button, okay, and what that does is releases this trapdoor. Now you probably want a screwdriver or something like that, unless you've got really tiny fingers, because it sort of goes in quite far and it's a bit stiff. So what you probably do is also hold the front of your iMac, push it in, and there we go, that trapdoor pops open. Alright, there is a little diagram, if you can make that out too well. It's on the back of the trapdoor, tells you what to do. But basically, just here and here are two little levers. They sort of pop out, and the memory tray sort of slides down. And basically these are the two 4 gigs that are already installed, and then above each one is a free slot to install some more RAM. Okay, so what I'm going to do is install another 2 lots of 4 gig. There are little guides for the memory to slide in, and then it just pushes in. It doesn't require a great deal of force, and you just hear a slight little click as that goes in. And then again the same with the other one. Okay, and again that's just clicked in. And then all you do is pop these 2 levers back up. They then fit into place. New memory is then secured. Pop the trapdoor back on. There we go. Insert the power cord back, and it is as simple as that. So that's my Mac now upgraded to 16 gig.